Hello everyone! It is going to be an exciting and long day today with my Hab-Hab Group in the town of Weinheim, Germany. Weinheim is the town of two castles with its historic old town, Mediterranean marketplace, and exceptional parks and gardens. First, we will have lunch in Gourmet Temple, an Asian buffet restaurant. It is actually a surprise birthday celebration for our friend Amolin. Then we will go around the Christmas market in Weinheim Market Square, and thereafter we will go to the party at the Winter Village in Ludwigshafen. Watch until the end of the video to see the fun part of Hab-Hab Group at the Christmas market in Ludwigshafen. So we are now in front of the Gourmet Temple here in Weinheim. I haven't been here before, so I'm so excited to see what they offer.
Buti na lang may allowance. Yeah, that's it.
The Jernie.
Hello. This is our manager. This place is actually spacious and very bright inside. Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, Liba Amolin! Happy birthday! She didn't know that we are here. We had to come earlier and rush with the decorations, whatever we could, to celebrate her birthday. This is their buffet area. This is surprisingly huge. Hi Moody Cakes by Isang. She has her own YouTube channel. Check the link in the description box. This is the buffet area. They have sushi. This is the sushi area. These are the choices we have. These are the fresh seafoods you can choose from for grilling. And on the other side, on the opposite side, if you can see, those are the fresh vegetables. They have a really huge buffet area here. This is the vegetable side. Fresh vegetables for the teppanyaki. This is the teppanyaki area. This is where they grill the food. And these are the food which are still to be cooked. And this is the salad area. Oh, they also have sashimi. This is their meat area. This is the desserts area. Here is pudding, different kinds of fruits for their chocolate fountain, and more fruits. Oh, this is lychee. I love lychee. You have a lot of choices. More desserts. This is loose. Salamat sa kay ulam video dito mawala. So guys, we are here in the Chinese restaurant here in Weinheim City. This place is so big and you have really a large range of choices from the starters to the main food up to the dessert. And the place is so beautiful. They have To see more of the surprise birthday celebration and our advent calendar unboxing, check the Hab-Hab Group's YouTube channel. You can find the link in the description box. So that's the Gourmet Temple restaurant behind me here in Weinheim. So it's really good. The food. They have a lot of choices. The Hab-Hab Group is behind me. We just have our lunch surprise party. Yeah, surprise birthday party for our friend Amolin and the Christmas party of the Hab-Hab Group, and that's our celebrity member. You watch him and dance competition here in Germany. He is one of the champ, Elmer. Nice ba yung wine? So here's the Hab-Hab Group. In front of us is the St. Laurentius Church. It is a Catholic church here in Weinheim in the Rhein Galerie district in northwestern Baden-Württemberg. This was built between 1911 and 1913 according to the plans of Ludwig Meyer. This church stands in the center of Weinheim's Old Town on the Market Square. So here, Christmas Market in Weinheim. With my Hab-Hab friends down there. Oh, it really feels like Christmas. In front of us is the Bismarck Monument, and further up there is one of the two castles in Weinheim. This Christmas market on the historic market square in the front courtyard of the castle and St. Laurentius Church has about 60 festively decorated stalls offering a wide range of products from gifts to culinary specialties. For the little ones, a carousel is set up. Highlights include themed tours that bring Christmas traditions of earlier times to life. We are having blue wine, cherry, Prost!
First visit mo.
Mo na dili na mo malimtan.
Anong lugar?
The Hab-Hab beauties in Weinheim.
Ay, dyan, alin.
Pasok, pasok.
Pasok dyan.
Last one.
Oh, video na. Happy na yung picture.
Ito yun eh. Mga beautiful. Okay, say wala. Still, we are in Weinheim Christmas Market.
May kape. May kape.
Sige. Tea time, Hab-Hab Group. We are in Rhein Galerie Winter
Don't stop. That was fresh.
It was so much fun, and now we are heading to Alex Lounge nearby to have something to eat and drink before we all head home. Guys, I hope you enjoyed watching my video. This is what I love about Christmas season, the Christmas markets, the festive mood all around, getting together with families and friends. It's really nice. I am looking forward to share with you more exciting content during this Christmas season. Please subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell so you will be notified each time I have a new video up on my channel. Thank you and see you then.